Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivomove Luxe, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch. Then you can turn it on by plugging the watch to the charger. Once you plug it to the charger, it should turn on automatically. And after the watch turns on, we can continue. And now we can go to our iPhone, open the App Store on it. Before that, I forgot to mention, make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store. In the App Store, tap on the search icon, tap on the search bar, type in Garmin Connect, tap on search, and on the list of applications, you should see the Garmin Connect. Tap on it, tap on the Get button to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on Open. In the app, you may see a couple of pop-ups about permissions, for example, Bluetooth one. This one is required, so tap on Allow. And once you allow the permission, you should see the login page. Basically, we need to log in into a Garmin account. If you don't have an account, tap on Create Account button to make a new one. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap on Sign In, check the box. Oh, my bad. Check the box, tap on Next. And here we can enter the email address and password. Okay. And once you enter the email address and password, tap on Next to login. Allow or deny the permission for the notifications. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. If you don't care, you can deny it. I'm gonna allow it. And as you can see, the app started looking for the nearby devices and it detected our watch automatically. Once it does, tap on Connect it. Enter the pin from the watch. Tap on Pair. Allow or deny the permission for the notifications. Here tap on Next. Set up the bedtime. This is useful if you want to, for example, use the do not disturb mode during sleep. Basically mute all of the notifications while you're sleeping. You can set the bedtime, so basically the time on which you go to bed and the time you wake up. You can do it by tapping on the box, adjusting the time, then tapping on the wake time, adjusting the time, like this, and then you can tap on Next. And here, if you want to turn on the do not disturb mode during sleep, tap on Yes. If you want to keep it disabled, tap on No. Right here you can select the preferred wrist, then you can tap Next. And here you can select the preferred watch face and tap Next. Here we can set up goals. So basically you can change the goals for steps and stuff like that. You can also keep the default ones by tapping on keep default goals if you want to keep the default ones. If you want to edit them, tap on Edit Goals. And here by default the auto option will be selected. You can tap on Custom and you can adjust the value to your liking, and you can change it for the floors climbed, fluid consumption, and also intensity minutes per week. And once you're done, you can tap on Next. Right here we can allow the permission for the location. This is useful if you want to, for example, track your exercises like running, cycling and stuff like that on the map. If you want to do it, allow the permission. If you don't care, you can tap on Skip to skip this step. Then we have calendar access. This is useful if you want to track the events from your calendar and stuff like that on your watch. If you don't care, you can tap on Skip and skip it. I'm gonna allow full access, then tap here. We can basically go to permissions for the app and allow the calendar. So it will redirect us here, and we can go here and make sure that it's allowed. It is, but the app is a bit wonky, so basically it tells us to go here and check it. And once you're done, you can tap on Skip if you want to. And here we can sync the watch with our phone, then tap on Finish. And here we can go through the tutorial by tapping on Next. I'm not gonna go through it, I'm just gonna tap on Skip. Then Dismiss. And as you can see, we have the homepage of the app. Up at the top we have our watch. We can tap on More, Garmin devices, and we also should see our Vivomove Luxe right here. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.